How to use segmentation in Mitzu. Hi, in this video, I will show you how to do basic segmentation in Mitzu. Here is our Explore page where you can do all your analysis. You can create segmentations for user behavior, demographics, and more. It is primarily used to identify trends, track data evolution, or analyze the composition of specific items. You can view user profiles, events, and cohorts, and experiment with various chart types and timeframes. However, before we dive into examples, you can add a title, which I've named Segmentation Demo, and provide a description for the analysis. Now, let's explore segmentation. Let's select the first event. Using an e-commerce example, we'll choose User Signup. We can see how it evolves. We can also apply filters and breakdown. For instance, I might be interested in people from specific countries. First, I choose the User Country Code breakdown. I could also use the filter to select different countries. The visualization updates instantly. You can also choose different metrics, such as counting unique users, as we are seeing, or total event counts, which will be higher. You can always experiment with this. For example, you can change the time frame to view data for the last month, last 2 months, or a custom period, such as since a specific date, which shows you the data from that date onwards. If we're looking at 1 month, then weekly trends might not be very insightful, so we can switch to daily trends instead. You can also switch from a stacked bar chart to a line chart, or any other visualization that you find more understandable. You can also compare the data with previous weeks, showing how the numbers have evolved. Let's take another event, such as subscription started. This one is useful too, but maybe it's even more helpful if we break it down by price to see which packages were the most successful. We can easily compare those. For this, I would use a bar chart to see the differences. We can also analyze this by unique users or group. The visualizations are always available. Still, you can also click the Show SQL button to check out the code automatically generated in the background. If you want, you can click the Copy Code button to further this analysis. You can also set a rolling average, which helps to smooth out short-term fluctuations and highlight longer-term trends or patterns in 2, 4, 8 to 16 weeks. I hope you will be able to use segmentations. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.